It's been very hot lately. We need to come up with something. First of all, we need to assemble a team. Guys, let's build a cool pool to escape from this hot weather.
I think it's a good idea.
Dump truck, let's get started.
Now it's my turn.
The base is ready. It's time to pour water in there. Hello, fire truck. We need you to save us from the fire weather.
Okay, I'll be there soon.